Thank you for coming back for another stimulus update. Y'all, I got my hat on today. I normally don't wear it for videos, but let me tell you a little something about this hat. It's not only for Trump. I wear it because of the slogan underneath it. Let's make America great again. And I'm saying let's make America great by standing up against modern day tyranny from the government. It's like Americans don't have backbones anymore. Stand up for yourself. I seen some brutal police action on the news tonight. Arrest because people wasn't social distancing themselves. And the cop was just beating the hell out of this guy for it. I mean, come on, y'all. This is not that serious. It's time we stand up against the government, against their force on us. They're taking all of our rights away from us. We don't even have the right to get out of our house. I mean, come on. Let's stand up. Demand for the country to be opened up. Congress goes back to work today, and the first thing on their desk is going to be the stimulus packages. Whether we will get a stimulus package, I know that, but will it be in the form of a stimulus check for everyone? I don't know that. Nobody knows that. So if you hear people on here on YouTube making videos saying, yeah, we are going to get them, they don't know what the hell they're talking about because they're not members of Congress. They have no inside information. They're just speculating. We will get a stimulus package, I know that. But what will it be? Will it be anything for the common people? We don't know. Should it be anything for the common people? I've got my doubts on that too. Y'all, things are about to get crazy. The little pockets of rioting and looting, that kind of stuff, is growing. People are fed up on both sides of the coin. They're fed up with it being closed down. They're fed up with the coronavirus. They're fed up with everything. People are just fed up. Things are about to get really crazy if they don't reopen the country and get it back to normal. We're going to have riots everywhere. And the death toll from that will be far more than the virus. This quarantine is killing people more than the virus is, in my opinion. It's causing mass depression. People that's already suffering from depression really suffers from it now, and people that wasn't suffering from depression are now getting depression because they're staying in isolated from everybody. You need human contact. Suicide rate is up. I mean, people are getting so depressed that they take the ultimate plunge and commit suicide. Divorce rate is up because men and women are spending too much time together. They need that separation. They need to go to work to save their marriage. Abuse is up. People's temper is at the end, and it don't take but that for them to snap. Family violence is up. The shutdown and quarantine is killing people at a rate that they're not telling us about. The only thing they can do is talk about the virus itself. And they're only talking about one side of that. They're telling you how many people dies from it, but they're not telling you how many people has beat it. And they're not telling you the ages of the people that dies from it. It's all the old people with underlying health problems. Y'all, one more thing, and I'll get off of here today. The beaches are slowly opening up. Y'all, the UV rays from the sun kills almost everything. It's a natural bleaching agent. Why do you think beach sand is white? I mean, the UV rays kills everything. And the beaches are opening up, getting people out of their house a little bit. Excuse me. They still can't have total freedom, but they can get out and go to the beach as long as they stay 6 feet away from each other. And then you got these people on here bitching because people are going to the beach, saying that they're going to spread the virus. Well, these people that are bitching about it are the ones that wouldn't be going to the beach anyway. So they don't want anybody else to have fun. It's just like on Facebook when you see women downing other women that are really pretty. They're talking bad about them because they're so pretty. And then you go to their website and look at them, and then you understand they're homely looking, they're ugly. So naturally they don't like the pretty women. It's the same thing. Just because you don't want it, just because you can't have it, just because you can't get it, don't mean it's not good for somebody else. If you don't want to go to the beach, stay the hell home. Just shut the fuck up. That's all I got to say about it. Until tomorrow, ciao. I love you all.